Oh, hello there. I haven't hiked in like a month. You're really supposed to walk right through the mud. I don't know the exact number on that, but it's been a lot this summer. It's about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock maybe on a Saturday afternoon. It's actually pretty busy out here. Parking area's over there. It is Saturday, August 28th. It is a cool day here in the Adirondack Mountains. Thought it was a good day to get out, go for a hike. All right. This trail is Cobble Lookout. It's a relatively short trail, only 250-ish feet of elevation gain. It's an easy trail, and I haven't hiked in like a month, so need something super simple that just kind of gets me back in the flow. I have not made a YouTube video since December of 2020, so there's a lot to say in this video. So this trail, Cobble Lookout, is great for families, beginner hikers, anyone who's just looking for something easy, because it is short, it's relatively flat, and the payoff at the end is really worth it. There's a great view overlooking this valley and Whiteface Mountains right there, and then you can see a lot of mountains off in the distance. You know how I said it was late August. Check it out. Signs of fall, my friends. Signs of fall. I'm so glad that the chilly air is coming back. It's been a hot and humid summer up here. Here comes some more. Not too bad. Just don't make a wrong step. Oh. All right. You're really supposed to walk right through the mud to limit your impact on the trail. Some more mud for you. Unfortunately, they've got these little wooden planks here to walk on. How's it going? So I'm thinking I'm going to change the name of this channel from Lincoln Riddle to Lincoln in the Adirondacks. In my last video, I said we're moving to Plattsburgh, New York. Since then, we've bought a house. We're now permanent residents of Plattsburgh, and we've just spent a lot of time in the playground that is the Adirondacks. This past winter I skied 41 days. Most of those were at Whiteface. I also have hiked almost between 20 and 30 mountains. I'm not sure on the exact number. 7 of those were high peaks, and I've hiked 7 high peaks. 6 of those I hiked one of the high peaks last year, so 7 high peaks total. A couple of them I've done twice now. I'm a Saranac Lake 6er, and so is Holly, and I'm working on the LP9, currently at 7, Holly's at 6. We should wrap that up before winter. So, oh, one other thing, I've also kayaked like more than a dozen times. I don't know the exact number on that, but it's been a lot this summer. The videos will center around the Adirondacks, me skiing, me hiking, kayaking, whatever Holly and I are up to. So with that being said, I do have a website. I've actually had this website for several months. It's called theadks.com, literally THEADKS.com. I just post kind of like trip reports. So currently I'm posting my hikes because that's what I've been doing, but like if I go kayaking, I'll post the experience and share what it was like, and there's photos and everything. It's actually very helpful if you were looking to hike here. It's a great resource if you're looking at a trail that I've hiked, because I'm very detailed, thorough, kind of tell you what the trail's like, give you some photos so you know what to expect. So check that out. That's theadks.com. I'll have it linked below.